How to make 100,000 Nigerian Nairas per month online in Nigeria without selling anything. What if I told you that making 100,000 Nigerian Nairas per month online in Nigeria may not require selling products, chasing customers, or becoming a social media celebrity? And what if I told you that many people are missing opportunities right in front of them because they are looking in the wrong direction? Think about it for a moment. How many talented Nigerians go to work every day, gain valuable experience, solve problems, help people, and acquire knowledge, yet never realize that what they know could become a source of income? The truth is that most people believe making money online means becoming a salesperson. They think they must constantly convince people to buy products or spend all day posting on social media. But what if there was another way? What if you could turn your knowledge, experience, and professionalism into an asset that continues creating opportunities online? That is exactly what we are discussing today. Before we continue, kindly click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. I have another powerful video coming out tomorrow, and you don't want to miss it. Also, if you have any questions as we go through this video, drop them in the comments section below. I personally read comments and I will not hesitate to answer your questions. Now let's get started. One major mistake many Nigerians make is assuming that only people with large amounts of capital can earn online. That is not true. Some of the most valuable things in today's digital economy are not physical products. Knowledge is valuable. Experience is valuable. Professional expertise is valuable. Problem-solving ability is valuable. People are willing to pay for information that helps them save time, avoid mistakes, or achieve better results. The challenge is that most people never package what they know. Instead, they keep all their knowledge locked inside their heads. Imagine a teacher with 10 years of experience. Imagine an accountant who understands financial management. Imagine a nurse with practical health knowledge. Imagine a business owner who has learned valuable lessons from years of experience. All these individuals possess knowledge that could potentially help others. The internet has created opportunities that did not exist years ago. Today, people can learn, teach, share information, and build assets online from almost anywhere. Unfortunately, many people still think the only way to make money is to exchange hours for cash. They wake up every day, go to work, earn a salary, and repeat the process month after month. Again, there is nothing wrong with having a job. A job is important. But depending entirely on one source of income can create financial pressure. This is why many professionals are now looking for smarter ways to create additional income streams. The goal is not necessarily to work harder. The goal is often to work smarter. This is where profit automation becomes interesting. Profit automation focuses on creating systems that help deliver value efficiently. Instead of doing the same task repeatedly every day, systems can be put in place to help reach more people and create opportunities on a larger scale. The exciting part is that you do not necessarily need to become a technology expert. Many successful people simply learn how existing systems work and apply them effectively. Think about your own situation. What knowledge do you have? What skills have you developed? What lessons have you learned? What problems can you solve? The answers to those questions may reveal opportunities you have never considered before. Many people spend years searching for opportunities while ignoring the opportunities already inside them. Your professional experience matters. Your knowledge matters. Your expertise matters. And in today's world, these things can become digital assets. The people who are succeeding online are often not the smartest people in the room. Many are simply people who learned how to package what they already knew. Now let me be clear. There is no magic button. There is no guaranteed overnight success. Anyone promising instant riches is usually not telling the full story. Real success requires learning. It requires consistency. It requires action. However, when you combine valuable knowledge with the right systems, amazing things can happen over time. This is one reason why I strongly encourage you to click on the webinar video link by Dr. Charles Edrims in the video description below. In that webinar, you will see how the process works, how ordinary Nigerians are turning their knowledge and experience into online assets, and how you can get started immediately after signing up. One of the biggest advantages of learning from someone who has already gone through the process is that you avoid many unnecessary mistakes. Instead of guessing what works, You can learn practical steps from people who have already achieved results. That alone can save you a tremendous amount of time and frustration. I also want you to take advantage of another valuable resource. Go to the video description below and gain access to my newly released ebook titled PDF Guide. Turn your knowledge, experience, and professionalism into an online asset through Profit Automation Masterclass by Dr. Charles. This guide was created to help professionals, entrepreneurs, and workers understand how they can leverage what they already know and position themselves for greater opportunities online. Many people are waiting for the perfect opportunity. The reality is that the perfect opportunity may already be in your hands. Your experience may be valuable. Your knowledge may be valuable. Your professionalism may be valuable. The question is whether you are willing to learn how to transform those things into assets. Imagine earning additional income from what you already know. Imagine creating something valuable that can continue helping people. Imagine building an asset that works for you instead of constantly depending on trading all your time for money. That possibility exists, but it begins with learning. It begins with taking action. And it begins with believing that your knowledge has value. Do not underestimate yourself. Do not underestimate your experience. Do not underestimate what is possible when knowledge meets the right system. The future belongs to people who learn how to adapt, learn new skills, and take advantage of new opportunities. Before I end this video, please click on the subscription button and turn on notifications so you can receive an alert whenever another video is released tomorrow. Also, don't forget to ask your questions in the comments section below because I will not hesitate to answer your questions. Most importantly, click on the webinar video link by Dr. Charles Edrams in the description below to see exactly how it works and how you can get started immediately after signing up. And don't forget to grab your copy of the ebook, PDF Guide. Turn your knowledge, experience, and professionalism into an online asset through Profit Automation Masterclass by Dr. Charles. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.